Hey everyone, I'm Brad Wood and I'm a consultant with Valiantys, an Atlassian Platinum Solutions partner. And in this video, we'll look at how to connect controls to other controls in Atlassian Analytics. If you're not familiar, Analytics is Atlassian's data analysis and visualization tool. It's powered by the Atlassian Data Lake and can also connect to third-party tools. It's available at the enterprise level in Atlassian Cloud products. So in Analytics, we're able to filter the available values in a control based on the values in another control. And we've got a few examples built out in this dashboard. So in our first example here, we've got a chart that is showing project types in our Jira instance, and then one for individual projects. The values selected in the project type dropdown are being used as filters for the project name dropdown, so that only the projects that are of the selected types are available in the control. So we can see here in our chart, we've got 4 different project types, and we'll select product discovery in this dropdown. Now we see just product discovery, number of projects 2. If I head over to my second chart and my project name control, I'll click in here and I only see 2 values because there's only 2 product discovery project types in this instance. And if I click on product discovery, I can see the project name and the number of issues in that project. And again, this filter or this control, the values are being filtered by this control. Let's scroll down to our second example. We've got issues by team and issues by team member. So I'll select one of our teams here, just our demo team, and I can see that there are 4 unique issues assigned to that team. Now, if I click into this control, I'll only see the team members of that specific team. And if I select myself, I can see that I have 2 unique issues assigned to me. So again, the values available in this control are being filtered by the team name that I've selected in the control to the left. One more example, and then we'll look at how this is configured. We see number of issues and then issue details. In this dropdown, I'm going to select an issue type and I'm going to choose initiative. We can see here number of issues 62. So there's 62 initiatives in this Jira instance. And now the available values in the issue key dropdown are being filtered by that issue type. So if I click into issue key, I will only see the initiatives in this list. So I'll just select initiative 1, for example, and then I can see some more information like the summary, the status, due date, priority, etc. So those are just a couple quick examples. The way you configure a control to be filtered by another control, you'll start by clicking control over here on the right-hand side, and you can choose any of the available types. We'll just select drop down. The key here is going to be, once you've made a couple selections here, if you'd like to, you can switch to control editor. And if you've worked in Atlassian Analytics at all, this is going to look familiar to you. This is the same way that you build your charts using either visual or SQL mode. You choose the columns that you'd like, and then you would choose an available filter, and that filter would be based on another control in your dashboard. So let's look at one of these that's already configured and see how this is done. So I'll click into this control and I'll click more actions, edit in control editor. And again, we can see here are the columns I've selected, which is just issue key. And then my filter is issue type is one of, and then the issue type control. And that's the name of the control that is associated with the first chart where I selected initiative in the example. So that's what's being used to filter the available values in this second control. Over on the right-hand side, you can change some other settings like the name of the control. You can change it to be multi-select if you'd like to. You can give it a default value. You can even change the background color. And then there are some other functions and formulas and things you could apply to your result table down here if you need to do that for some reason. Once you've made all of your updates, you just click Save to Dashboard, and now your control is connected, or being filtered, we should say, by another control. So that's just a couple quick examples of how to connect or filter your controls based on other controls in Atlassian Analytics. There are so many more powerful features in this tool, And we discuss those in other videos on our YouTube page, as well as in our analytics workshops, which are hands-on courses that will enable you to start using analytics for your organization's reporting needs. The information on these courses can be found at valiantys.com/training. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any other questions on analytics or anything else Atlassian related, please feel free to reach out to me via email or LinkedIn. Both of those will be included in the description box.